Okay, Jernard, so you have a recipe you're going to share with us. I see you've got all your fixins. Get to it.
Yes, yes. This dish right here is one of my favorites. It's my lemon pepper Parmesan baked fried chicken. Very simple. So what you do is you have Parmesan cheese. And now also these can be made in vegan alternatives. So if you don't want regular Parmesan, you can use vegan Parmesan cheese, some Italian breadcrumbs. Then just take you just a pinch of salt. Then we have some lemon pepper seasoning. You want to season it over the chicken breast. Now, once you have that seasoned together here, we have some minced garlic with a little lemon zest in there, coconut oil. And you're going to mix that coconut oil together. And then you're going to pour the coconut oil as well as the minced garlic over the top of that chicken. Now, after you pour it over, you're going to take those breadcrumbs, that Parmesan cheese that we have, and then you just baste it over the top of your chicken breast. And that coconut oil and minced garlic allows it to stick together, which makes it so good here. Now, after we get that going right there, then you just take your a sheet pan, or me, you know I'm from the South, so I love a good cast iron skillet. You can grease the bottom of it with the coconut oil. Take that, boom, and your cast iron skillet like that. Hey, we gotta have those greenery. I love some good asparagus. So take my asparagus, boom, a little lemon zest, because you never can have enough lemon zest. And that really opens up the palate so that you can really taste the flavors. Just squeeze it over the top and preheat that oven to 350 degrees. You pop it in the oven for 45 minutes. Then after you pop it in the oven, boom, check this out, guys. Check it out. This is how it looks. Beautiful, crisp, just amazing when it comes out. Now, after you got it there, then I always like, hey, I say you can't have some good flavor without some beautiful garnish here. I love taking some nice Italian parsley, just garnish it over the top of it. And you can do one or two things when you eat it, but you can eat it straight out the cast iron skillet if you want, or you can remove it if you're doing it bigger for family and not just yourself. Remove it, and here you go right here. Look how beautiful and tender that is. Look at that.
Tender, that's what I was going to ask.
Yes,
now we're jealous.
And thank you for sharing that recipe. I do the cooking in my house. I'm going to try that. And keep us updated on your weight loss. You look fantastic.
Yes.
And we'd love to have you back to share another recipe and just see you move in the kitchen.
Hey, I would love it. I accept that. I accept that invite. You know, when we're talking food and all things just feeling good, I'm your guy. You know, I always remember.
Yes, you are. All right, to find this recipe, head on over to thedoctorstv.com.